Soldier who killed superior officer explains why he did it. The soldier who is responsible for the death of another soldier named B.S. Ngogi recently came out to explain why he did what he did. B.S. Ngogi was on the phone receiving a call from his wife when he was attacked by the killer from behind. He was reportedly shot by the soldier. The killer apparently served alongside his victim in 202 Battalion of 21 Special Armored Brigade, Bama, Borno State. The soldier said that the reason he killed his superior officer is because he refused to grant him a travel pass. He apparently went away without official leave for 6 months, and his bank account was frozen by the authorities as a result of his actions. And when he returned to base, he asked for permission to leave in order to resolve the issue with his frozen bank account. But his request was denied, and this enraged the soldier, and he decided to take the superior officer which he eventually did. The killer is in custody according to the acting director, Army Public Relations Officer Colonel Musa Sage, and he will be punished for the horrible crime he committed. The soldier who was killed reportedly got married last year. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, permit me when I say that of a truth, the killer soldier has committed an offense, and the offense he committed is a very heinous one, and so definitely it deserves to be severely punished, most especially by the battalion that he belonged to. Do you understand? He should be punished according to law, because to me, no matter what must have transpired between him and his superior, that is not enough for him to kill him and send him to an early grave. It's too bad. It's too bad. You understand? It's completely wrong. So I will say that the soldier has actually committed a very grievous and heinous crime. Let's digress back to the topic. If you look at it very well, you will see that the soldier actually took this negative move because he was denied of a request to embark on a journey, which he claimed that he made it known to his superior. But because the superior has refused him, that is what made him to take that step. This actually goes straight to other people working in government offices and private parastatals. See, I want to tell you something. We on our own side, those in the upper level, those tagged to be superior to staffs, we are also at fault sometimes. At fault in the sense that we must not be too hard on our colleagues. Don't forget, we started from that level. We too were still we're like them. We too started and we were actually controlled by a superior. You understand? Before we got to the level that we are. So when you are in charge or in control of someone, don't be too hard on that person. Be accommodating, be listening, be welcoming. We too, on our own side, we are also at fault. Because we are a superior to someone doesn't mean that we will always want to be on top of that person or on top of our voice or always in charge. Yes, you are in charge, but with caution. You understand? Okay? Add dignity to whatever you are doing in life, to your positions in life, to whatever you say. Add dignity to it. You understand? You see, you look at it. Had it been this soldier has actually granted this colleague of his, this junior colleague of his, this request, this wouldn't have happened to him, provided that what the junior colleague is asking for is not too big or difficult to be granted. Why not? Why not grant it to him? Why deny him of it? You see that? So you can see that this soldier also contributed to his downfall, to his death. So that's why I say that the killed soldier is also at fault, because he's supposed to have at least, first of all, weigh what the junior soldier is requesting for and see the possibility of granting it to him. If it's possible, then you can call him, okay, you can go, but you understand, but please try to return earlier. You understand? So, but he never added diplomacy to his action. You understand? So, my viewers, I want to believe that you have one or two things to say about it. But please don't hesitate to leave them behind. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.